Welcome. If you want to change the number of impostors in the online game, at the first you have to create the online game. And if you are actually in the game, you have to just exit and close your room, and then you have to click on the host. And as you can see here, we can change the number of the impostors. But when we create the room like that, and we come closer to the PC and try to customize right here in the game, as you can see, we cannot find this feature, right? We cannot change number of the impostors. We have to simply just go back, leave the game, and set it right here. But if you are in the local game, let's create this one, you can actually change it right here. So when you go here, change game, and as you can see, the number of the impostors appears right now in the settings. So it's just a little bit different, but that's how we can actually change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!